So David came out and gave me what I feel like is one of the tallest affirmations after speaking, which as an introvert,
Yeah.
after I'm on stage facilitating conversations and connection, which can be uncomfortable,
Yeah.
David came out and shared something really genuine. I'm just wondering, as an introvert,
Yeah.
what struck out to you or really worked about that exercise and the piece that I shared?
Okay.
If you're willing to
Happy,
reshare.
happy to share. Happy to share. So, the way that I'll phrase it is, as an introvert, it's easy to just want to protect yourself and keep the world small. Um, and most times you don't feel included, and you feel safest by yourself. Um, and it's difficult in a room with many, many human beings that you have to interact with. One of the things I love the most about meeting you and just watching you on stage, I felt a kinship, not because of any other thing, but the fact that you invited that. You created this safe space where I felt like I was seen by you, I was heard by you, in the way that you address language, in the way that you share your topics, and frankly, your passion is infectious. So it removes a whole lot of barrier. It allows you to leave that cognitive space and come right down into the place where things are visceral and real and in that heart space. And I know I'm using a lot of fluffy words, but this is just how it feels. And it's not that the information that's shared isn't applicable cognitively. It's just that you're allowed to invite passion to fuel it. So you have insight that you can then turn into action because you now believe it. And the way you deliver information, it allows people to believe in new things. So, I can go on and on because I'm on fire right now. But I love the way that you present. I love how you share, how honest it is, how full it is, because it shows up with all of you intact. And you give all of yourself, and it just allows us to just to receive with open arms. It's dope stuff.
Thank you.
You're onto something.
Thank you, man. This is thanks for being able to being willing to compensate it to me and being able to say a version of it a second time on video, especially.
If anyone, I mean, the point is, like, I want other people to feel like I'm feeling right now. So it's like a gift. And so I'm happy to have this conversation just so other people see this, and it does what it's doing for me for a whole bunch of other folks. You're giving some good stuff out.
Thank you to you and to you for asking powerful questions and being willing to create conversations that matter.
No doubt.
That's what it's about.
Absolutely.
Thanks, David.